AI. The hype versus the reality. 2025. As 2025 approaches, artificial intelligence is a hot topic, surrounded by lofty predictions and inflated expectations. Although AI is driving innovation and changing sectors, the truth about its potential and limitations is frequently more complex than the hype implies. In this video, we will go through 7 points highlighting the hype versus the reality of AI in 2025. Number 7. AI is ubiquitous, but not magical. By 2025, artificial intelligence will have permeated almost every corner of modern life, from consumer technology to business operations. AI is used in smart devices such as wearable health monitors, home assistants, and smartphones to predict needs, personalize user experiences, and automate routine tasks. In industries, AI powers supply chain optimization, predictive maintenance, fraud detection, and customer service automation, among many other applications. However, this widespread belief that AI is a magical, all-encompassing technology that can solve any problem instantly is far from the truth, as AI systems are essentially based on data and algorithms designed for a specific purpose. They lack human traits like empathy, intuition, and contextual awareness. For instance, without specific programming, AI is unable to understand the subtleties of human emotions or cultural backgrounds, even while it can analyze large data sets to find trends. This means that to guarantee their ethical and successful usage, AI tools need to be carefully designed, subject matter experts must be included, and human monitoring is necessary. It is crucial to have reasonable expectations about what AI can and cannot accomplish, because overhyping it can lead to disillusionment and wasteful resource use. Number 6. Real successes in specific domains. The most impressive AI developments in 2025 are focused on areas with well-defined issues, abundant data, and quantifiable effects. AI-powered diagnostic tools in the healthcare industry evaluate pathology slides, medical imaging, and patient records to help physicians quickly and accurately identify diseases like cancer, diabetic retinopathy, and cardiovascular disorders. In addition to increasing diagnostic accuracy, these instruments significantly lessen the workload for overburdened healthcare providers, particularly in underprivileged areas. AI systems in the financial industry track millions of transactions in real time to identify fraudulent activity, evaluate credit risk, and improve trading tactics, which lowers losses and increases compliance. Generative AI models, such massive language models and picture generators, have transformed marketing, entertainment, and design processes by facilitating quick prototyping, content generation, and customization at scale. However, these achievements are domain-specific and mostly depend on well-defined goals and high-quality data. Due to a lack of data, regulatory barriers, or the difficulty of activities requiring human judgment and creativity, AI adoption is delayed in many other industries, such as complicated manufacturing or education. Number 5. AGI remains distant. In 2025, artificial general intelligence, the dreamy AI that can comprehend, learn, and reason on any intellectual task at a level equal to or higher than that of a human, remains a pipe dream rather than an actual possibility. The flexibility, common sense thinking, and self-awareness that define human intelligence are absent from limited AI models, despite impressive advancements in these systems intended for specialized tasks like language translation, picture recognition, or gaming. Instead of actually comprehending concepts or situations, current AI systems work by finding statistical patterns in data. For example, a language model lacks true comprehension and consciousness, yet is able to produce writing that makes sense. AGI would necessitate advances in fields that have not yet reached their full potential, including causal reasoning, transfer learning, unsupervised learning, and the integration of various cognitive capacities. Furthermore, there are still many unanswered ethical, philosophical, and technical problems raised by the development of AGI. Even though some researchers are still hopeful about AGI's long-term prospects, the majority of experts concur that it is unlikely to materialize in the next 10 years, and confusing AGI with limited AI advancements feeds irrational excitement and unfounded concerns. Number 4. Implementation challenges and high failure rates. Even though artificial intelligence seems exciting, the reality of implementing AI solutions on a large scale is difficult and often fails. According to industry statistics, between 70 and 80% of AI projects never provide the desired results or yield a significant return on investment. Data quality is a significant barrier. Large amounts of clean, representative, and well-labeled data are necessary for AI models. Yet many companies have trouble handling biased or fragmented data sets. Inadequate preparation and data governance lead to biased or incorrect outcomes from AI algorithms. Furthermore, a lot of businesses lack the data scientists, machine learning engineers, and domain expertise needed to properly develop and manage AI systems. Project delays or abandonment frequently result from the complicated and expensive nature of integrating with legacy IT infrastructure. Furthermore, businesses usually overestimate AI's potential and anticipate pre-packaged solutions that lack adequate customization, training, and continuous oversight. Due to stakeholder demands for explainability and transparency, particularly in regulated industries, the black box character of many AI models also impedes adoption and trust. Number 3. Ethical, security, and regulatory concerns. In 2025, concerns about ethics, security, and regulations have gained attention as AI systems grow more prevalent and significant in important decision-making processes. By unintentionally reinforcing or exacerbating racial, gender, age, or socioeconomic biases, AI models trained on historical data may result in discriminatory employment, lending, law enforcement, and healthcare practices. For instance, research has revealed that persons of race experience greater error rates in facial recognition systems, which raises questions regarding civil rights and fairness. Another big worry is privacy, because AI frequently needs access to enormous volumes of private and sensitive data, which raises concerns about ownership, consent, and monitoring. Furthermore, automated hacks, deepfakes, and AI-generated disinformation present additional information security and integrity issues. In response, governments all over the world are creating and putting into place legislative frameworks meant to guarantee AI safety, accountability, transparency, and equity. Examples include analogous programs in the US, China, and other countries, as well as the EU's AI Act, which establishes guidelines for high-risk AI applications. Number 2. Rising costs and power consumption. By 2025, the costs of creating and using cutting-edge AI technology have become more noticeable from a financial and environmental standpoint. Modern AI models require a lot of processing power to train, especially large-scale deep learning architectures like GPT or image creation algorithms. This procedure frequently entails operating thousands of GPUs or specialized AI accelerators non-stop for weeks or months, which uses a large amount of electricity and raises carbon emissions. For instance, the lifetime carbon emissions from training a single large language model can equal the carbon emissions from multiple autos. These energy requirements mostly restrict the development of AI to governments, well-funded businesses, and research institutes, erecting obstacles for smaller enterprises and widening the technological divide worldwide. Moreover, there are continuous operating expenses associated with executing AI inference at scale, such as supporting millions of chatbot conversations or real-time video analysis. The environmental impact of AI is still a major worry, even though developments in model optimization, hardware efficiency, and renewable energy supply are assisting in lessening these effects. Number 1. Shift toward practical, value-driven applications. The conversation in 2025 has evolved toward a more realistic, values-based viewpoint after years of ebullient marketing that portrayed AI as a revolutionary force ready to upend entire industries overnight. Nowadays, businesses give top priority to AI applications that produce observable, quantifiable business results, including automating tedious tasks, increasing customer interaction, boosting operational effectiveness, or offering useful insights. Companies are beginning to perceive AI as a partner that enhances human abilities and frees up personnel to concentrate on more valuable, innovative, or strategic tasks rather than as a substitute for human labor. This trend represents a greater awareness that effective AI adoption necessitates setting reasonable expectations about AI's potential and constraints, engaging in staff training and change management, and coordinating technology with specific business goals. For example, routine questions are answered by AI-powered customer support chatbots, freeing up human agents to handle more complicated problems and enhancing overall service quality. In conclusion, even if AI has the potential to revolutionize society, its present course is a mix of hope and realism, tempered by ethical, practical, and environmental issues. In order to address these concerns and ascertain whether AI can properly deliver on its promises, the upcoming years will be critical. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.